Hello internet, you join me on a rare sunny day in Scotland with boxes to open. I've actually already opened this box, but I haven't taken it out because it's so freaking heavy. That's way heavier than I expected it was going to be. We have brought a practice diff, so that's off an RX8. Same engine and gearbox combination as our one. Comes with free socks to put your drive shaft in. But we're going to open that up, and well, Dave's going to open that up, figure out how to weld the diff with a practice diff. That is very heavy. That's probably 35 kilos there. Right, next on the agenda, I'm assuming it's RX8 parts, because if it was something more useful, Dave would have opened it already. Remember to cut away from your face. There's no clues as to which way is up or down on this box, so I'm just going for it. It says it is from Garden Trading Supplies, which I don't really believe. It's wrapped in a blue bag of some sort, whatever it is. It's like Christmas. See what it is? We ordered. Yes. One problem with having an RX8 drift build is that there's not a lot of parts that you can buy. So we bought a set of spare lower control arms and steering knuckles because we're going to try and shorten out this section to give us some more steering lock. As we understand it, shortening this connecting pole by moving it inboard will give us more steering lock. So we're going to create some sort of a jig to hold the bolts and then relocate this inward. Not sure how much, but we've got a picture on the internet of someone who's done it before, and we're going to try and replicate that. So I hope this other bag is the other. Feels about the same weight. Oh, this is a nice Stanley knife. I need to get one of these. I need to get one of these Stanley knives for myself. It's much better than using scissors or kitchen knives. But then you probably know this because you bought one. Oh, it's hot out here. I'm not used to this. I used to live in South Africa. But in South Africa, when it's hot, you go inside and you turn the aircon on, or you go into your swimming pool. Here, you don't have a swimming pool. The best. I don't really want the paddling pool. I like the idea of it. What a guy! He's offered to rig me up a paddling pool. Yeah, that is another steering knuckly thing. Is knuckle the right word for this, or is hub the right word for this? Is the knuckle part of the hub? Yeah. It is a hub with a knuckle. And with control arms. I don't think we have to mod the lower control arms. Okay. It's just the knuckle. I'm having a conversation with Dave, who is down there rigging up a welder for the next job. But yeah, that's me unboxing the latest round of parts. All of these are basically standard parts for a Mazda RX8. We just need to modify them because there's not a lot of off-the-shelf parts you can get for the RX8 to do a drift build. So open up the diff, weld it, shorten the steering bolt thing so we get more lock, refit them onto the car. Right, what's next?